something very crazy, but nothing's new when you're on my channel. Today I'm living one of my little dreams. So basically I am leaving from America. We have a flight in the next 3 hours. Leaving from here to go to, leaving from Detroit to go to Chicago. From Chicago I go to London. From London I go to Greece. All of that in 24 hours. So you guys know I have a bit of anxiety. So I'm just anxious to see if I'm actually gonna make all 3 flights. Like, that's a lot to commit to in a day. My friend said me up. Can bring it on the flight. I won't put on any edge control because I want to look fresh for Greece. But yeah, that's the travel plans for the day. This vlog that you guys are watching, this one will be from Detroit to Chicago. And then for each trip, I'll make a different vlog because I just feel like to make one long vlog with 3 trips, it will be a mazza. So that's it. But y'all got the first insight. This is my outfit. I think the taxi's waiting, so I can't speak to y'all too long. I'm still in the hotel room, by the way. Guys, this is my outfit. Oversized top from PLT, suede trousers from Primark, and I'm wearing my Converses. It's fall time. Bringing my boy in. Bye room. Yesterday I leave my shirt on my bed. You know, said she said that shirt I forgot. Actually, let me put it in my suitcase. Carry go that cool. Guys, I'm at the airport. Probably also in my bank card to change my suitcase. Yes. Sadly. I didn't even wear half a clothes, I'm so bad. For my next flight, I'm bringing a hand luggage. No check. You're not sure? Okay, I'll check online. Yeah. All right, then thank you.
Serious? You do want to come here?
Yeah, it's nice. I had a great time.
Yeah, how long are you here?
I was here for 5 days.
Just 5 days?
I know, sure. I came for a wedding.
In Detroit?
Yeah, it was beautiful.
Good.
Absolutely stunning. But take care,
Did
yeah?
you see a little bit of the city?
Yeah, I went downtown.
Good.
I went to Highlands.
To where?
Highlands,
Yeah.
the restaurant.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was beautiful. I had a great time.
Did you get to Motown?
No, I didn't get to go, but we drove past it.
Yeah, they're remodeling it. They're doing additions to make it, much better.
Yeah, I had a great time. Thank you.
Good.
Take care. I'm in a friendly mood. I'm in a good mood. People were early for the flights. I'm proud of myself. We don't have to take off the bag like the last time. All we gotta do is collect it a good London. But it's a person reach safe and sound. Because I don't want nothing to delay me, I understand. But thank you, Jaja, for the early start. You know, them people are gonna make me take out the whole of my life out of my bag. For them dig it up. Oh, I have some of go. So what plastic bag them there for me to take out the liquid? I don't understand how this works. I have bare liquid in my bag too. I'm ask him. I have my makeup something done. Hey booze, we just went through security. Everything has been easy peasy so far. Ooh, they have a Chick-fil-A. Oh, should I get it? Should I get it? Let me just check on my gate. I had 2 hours to spare. I just used an hour to edit. But I just thought I'd come to my gate an hour and a half before departure time. So I'm just at the gate now. Let me make sure this is the right one. Beautiful. Yeah, we're going to Chicago. It's the one that we're boarding today. So I'm gonna get the cheeseburger. I'm so happy. You guys don't understand. This is all I wanted to eat since I've been here. This is perfect. Guys, I know this is so simple, yeah? But you know in London when you want sauces, the way the people there want up the whole of your money, over here you just ask them and they just give it to you. You don't have to pay no extra. They just give you all the sauces. This is the lemonade. As the flight is boarding now. After eating, I feel like I was gonna go and come, so I didn't bother with the life update. But if the flight's empty and I'm in the middle too, because we're actually doing it to catch up.
Number 6. If you're not already
What group am I? I think I am 7.
And group number 9, you're now welcome to board American Eagle 3950 to Chicago. Groups 1 through 9, doorway D27.
56. That's all they have. So I need.
This is tiny. When I look there, oh my god. Guys, look at the cloud.
Yeah, I don't think
Very good. 78. Guys, we're all boarded. It's a fairly busy flight. It's not packed to its full entirety. There are like a few odd spaces here and there, but no more than a handful. But let me show you guys. Look at our windows myself. Look. Excuse me.
yes. Give me a second, I'll bring you around.
It's very sunny. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Definitely well over 4 months ago, and since then life has drastically changed, mostly for the better, which I'm grateful for. But I can't do this live update without firstly thanking God for what He's done for me and how He has completely transformed my life, my spirit, and my environment for the greater good. And this kind of is also a testimony about the goodness of God, not just in my life but just life in general. And I did my salvation last year, and honestly guys, since then I've just seen a completely new version of myself, a completely new lease of life, aspirations. So without giving away too much, I just want to say firstly, I am now a child of God, so I have a personal relationship with God, and that changed everything for me. And one thing I must say is that I'm not saying because I have a relationship with God, it means that no, I don't have hardships and I don't have difficult times, and at times I don't even feel sad or depressed. I still have those same emotions, but no, I just know that no matter what, I have God on my side, and with Him all things are possible. You know, the Bible says through Christ we can do all things. So it's the same thing I apply to my life. So that's the first thing. I get a lot of peace of mind now that I am a born again Christian. And it's kind of hard for me, I don't know, what is it hard? Hypocritical from semi-Christian, because the Christian that I want to be, I know that I am not that person yet. But at the same time, like, I prefer get baptized and stay in a God house and fight everything on me and fight than stay up on the outside and don't do it out of fear, you know what I mean? But rather have God by my side and continue to struggle and sin and repent and do all of them things there rather than do have him at all, you know what I mean? That's the first disclaimer. I know that I have such a strong view.
Are you chopping on the phone? You're not supposed to.
To the phone, I'm not talking. The day where you see me and my business and come over here, but oh, I'm not supposed to talk to nobody on the phone. I'm not talking to nobody, I get paid for the YouTube, so I record my bag. Come on to my base now. So she just on background. Just a gentle reminder for mind the business that pays you. Anyways, back to the life update. So what I'm trying to basically say is that for me, I get a lot of comfort, peace of mind, safety in knowing that I have God by my side, and I'm actively trying to be a better person for Him and letting His will be done than how I was living before I got saved. So life has been better since I got saved, so I'm not going to continue to praise God and worship Him. So that's the life update in terms of my faith journey. And I must say that once I got saved, like, life literally did a 360, both good and bad. Like, things that I could never see before started revealing itself to me. And I had a lot of almost like out-of-body experiences, but I can speak about that separately. I just want to stick to the life update just to let you guys know what's been happening. And then following getting saved, I also got a new job. So I've been wanting this job for 3 years, and honestly, if it wasn't for God's mercy, I wouldn't actually be in these rooms that I'm in right now. So I just have to give God all the praise and all the glory for what He's done and how He's completely
gate G7.
Guys, we are in Chicago. Thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. I'm the last to come off the plane. I was sitting at the back. It's such a small plane, but thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next vlog, and I hope you guys were inspired. See ya. I hope you guys were inspired by the vlog. Bye guys.